Ama biraz arkaya görebilirsiniz. Okay.
Okay, first we are going to start with the anterior branches of the abdominal aorta. Number 8 is the celiac trunk, and the celiac trunk has 3 branches for itself. The first branch of the celiac trunk is the left gastric artery. Here it's number 11. It's extending upward. It's a direct branch from the trunk.
Wait.
Here you can see it. This small branch going upwards is the left gastric because 8 is the celiac trunk. Then the celiac trunk has other branches. The second branch of the celiac trunk is called the splenic artery. The splenic artery has direct branches into the spleen. Then it has branches extending upward. These are called the short gastric artery and are supplying the fundus of the stomach. And the other branch of the splenic artery is the left gastroepiploic or left gastroomental artery, which is supplying the upper part of the greater omentum. Then a branch from the celiac trunk after left gastric and splenic artery is the common hepatic artery, this one here. Common hepatic artery is giving its first branch in the form of the proper hepatic artery. Proper hepatic artery, together with the portal vein and the common bile duct, is going to form the portal triad, and portal triad is going to enter each lobule of the liver. Okay. Now branches of the common hepatic. We already said the proper hepatic artery. Second branch is the gastroduodenal artery, and here the third branch is the right gastroepiploic artery. And the right gastroepiploic artery is a branch of gastroduodenal artery.
Right gastric. We cannot see the right gastric artery in this.
Yes, right gastric we can't see, but right gastroepiploic is a branch of gastroduodenal.
No, right gastric artery is the branch of the
gastroduodenal.
Gastroduodenal, sorry.
Kimin?
Ben proper hepatic söylüyordum. Right gastric.
Okay, right gastric artery is a branch of the proper hepatic artery, and the right gastroepiploic artery is a branch of gastroduodenal artery, as we can see here.
Okay.
And the right gastric artery we can't see. Then here, between the pancreas and the duodenum, we have the superior pancreatico-duodenal artery, and downwards we have the inferior pancreatico-duodenal artery. Inferior pancreatico-duodenal artery is a branch of the superior mesenteric artery, and the superior pancreatico-duodenal artery is again a branch of the gastroduodenal artery, as we can see here. Then together with the superior mesenteric artery, here we have the superior mesenteric vein, and then we can see it also from posterior, superior mesenteric artery, superior mesenteric vein. Superior mesenteric vein joins with the splenic vein, and together they are forming the portal vein and draining into the liver. And here without number we can see the inferior mesenteric vein. Other structures in this model, we can see the spleen. This is gastric surface of the spleen. Posteriorly we can see the posterior diaphragmatic surface of the spleen. And when we regard the duodenum, this is the ampulla, duodenum, major pancreatic duct, accessory pancreatic duct. Together with the bile duct, they are forming the ampulla of Vater or hepatico-pancreatical ampulla, and they are opening into the major duodenal papilla here. This is the duodenum with the plica circularis, and this is the horizontal part of the duodenum.
Okay. Pancreas.
Head of the pancreas, neck of the pancreas, and A is tail of the pancreas.
Okay. Stop yapıyorum.